Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2025 Grand Design Imagine. It's the 2470 BH. Single slide out, bunk room in the back. We did this with the booth dinette. Nice new features, decor, a new floor plan, kind of that 2400 BH. But the 2470 BH, let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. All right, stand at the entry door looking in, your slide out, bunks to the left with your bathroom. Looking forward, your lots of countertop, kitchen area, private bedroom. Looking back, and that's where we'll start. The back end here, you've got a built-in ladder, nice large teddy bear bunk series. You've got storage. This folds up out of the way. Lighting, roller shades. You've got cubby holes on top and bottom that have charging areas, LED lights. Your windows open, and you've got a designated AC duct inside and outside of that curtain. So they get plenty of air in there. You're not sweating up in that bunk area, and they have their individual curtains for privacy. Down low, nice drawers with the new little locks here. Motion sensor light, receptacles, heat ducts not in the floor. As you come in, your JBL sound system, Bluetooth, your Compass Connect, check your lights, your holding tank, control your slide, your awning, all from one convenient area. This TV you can turn and see from anywhere in the camper, and it gives you easy access to the hookups. Charging port. Again, blackout roller shades and windows that open. And you got access to a trash can inside and out. Flush floor, no carpet. We did this with the booth dinette, so it gives you an extra bed. So you're sleeping 6 to 8 in this comfortably. But the dinette makes a bed. We'll take a look at that. All right, table down, cushions down. You got Velcro holding these backers in place. You got a good way for the table to travel is in this down position. And very easy setup back into the table, but moving it out. There's no pedestals or anything in your way. You've got the ottoman here that you can move out. Has storage in it to give you full length benches. And that'll give you a traditional booth dinette if you don't want the U shape or you need some more leg room. See the receptacle, storage. Again, roller shades, fire escape window, and all your windows open. Lighting here. Charging areas. More receptacles, and that sitting area is directly across from the TV. Ducted air, that JBL sound system will stay towards the back end where you've got your bathroom, lots of countertop, workspace, medicine cabinet, your hot water heater, receptacles, and you've got a window that opens and a roof vent for good breeze, circulation, with a shade. More storage. Good spot for a trash can, and they angle the toilet for room for your legs. Heat duct, AC duct, nice little cubby holes. I'm 6'5". My head is almost in the skylight. So you got room for taller people. Your curtain texture to give you that a little bit more privacy, but self-cleaning. towel bar on the back of the door. Spot for bar stools. And then nice deep pull-out drawers. You can fit cereal boxes, anything in those. More storage and drawers. LED lights. Great pots and pans drawer and pegs to hold those in place. A 3-burner range with the cover. And you've got an exhaust that exhausts outside. Microwaves at a good height. And again, large cabinet doors. Nice backsplash. Lighting. Receptacles. You've got a nice cover for that large sink. And an extended spray head. More drawers, little cubby holes, and countertop extension. Staying in the kitchen area, your 12-volt refrigerator freezer. Your thermostat and controls. Again, more heat ducts. Moving into the bedroom, a solid door that closes off the bedroom. Heat ducts. Your fuse panel, circuit breakers. Second AC we equip this with. Again, ducted. Spot for a TV, it is prepped. Receptacles on either side. There are those bar stools for the kitchen area, and you got a slide tray. Shocks that hold up that 60 by 80 queen bed. Cubby holes on either side. Soft touch headboard. Night light or spotlight. Shocks that hold up your doors along with magnets to keep them secure. Hanging storage. Again, nice deep drawers. And I mentioned the receptacles. Fire escape window opens and you got a second entry door. Plenty of room to walk around the bed, change, get in and out without disturbing anybody. Your brand new 2025 Grand Design Imagine 2470BH. We'll work our way outside. Take a look out there. Hey guys, before we head outside, always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Also check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, moving to the outside, you see the new front cap. Model number on the tongue jack. 2 20-pound LP bottles under the covers. 7-pin holder, which is here. You've got spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1 rock guard. Nice pass-through storage with the non-skid flooring. Your dock for your tire link, LED lights, battery and solar disconnect, solar controller, water, cable, outside shower, and you can feed everything right through the bottom here. Easy access for winterization and inverter prep. You got a nice thick slam latch door. Your new logo on the side. All 4 corner manual stabilizer jacks. Take a look. I have a link to the video on those. You got a sewer hose pipe here. 2470's got a dry weight of 6,588 pounds. Your slide out. Your pull valve for your gray tank. Black and gray pull valves in the back. Black tank flush. Convenience light. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. 2 ACs, solar panel, top of your slide, roof vent, skylight, nice clean roof. You are prepped for backup camera. We are looking at a 50 amp service. You do have prep for a second AC. Your receiver on the back's got a 300-pound weight rating. Good for bike rack, storage bin, not for towing. Tankless water heater, Another spray port for our outside shower. Full length power awning with the support arm in the middle. You've got outside kitchen, which is the fridge, the griddle. And that has got the quick connect down here for your LP. Again, magnets that hold those doors up. Step above entry steps fold right up into the camper. You got the large assist handle on both entry doors. Outside access on this door. You've got a trash can that pulls out. Goodyear Endurance tires. They are 15-inch. Outside TV hookup. The regular Alumatread steps up front compared to the step above in the back. Exhaust for your range. Your front pass through, you've got, again, non-skid flooring, motion sensor light, receptacle. There's that 50 amp cord. Nice wide open storage. Your brand new 2025 Grand Design Imagine 2470 BH. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised, slide in. You can still get through here. You can still get full access to the freezer. About halfway, you could get a milk jug in and out of the refrigerator. You're not getting in the bedroom. You'd have to go through the other door. But as for the bathroom, there's no issues here. You can get into the bathroom with the slide in.